Hey guys, it's your girl Nini and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about tips on how to become a full-time content creator. I'm going to give you some personal experience and some things that you can do to help prepare yourself for this move, whether you're currently working a 9 to 5 or not. So before we do that, you guys, this is my disclaimer that this is not any type of official advice. This is not official financial advice. These are just my opinions and I'm just talking to you guys about the topic. So as always, do your research beforehand. And it is officially my Black Friday sale on all of my ebooks and digital guides. The link to this is in the description, and this is week 1 of my Black Friday sale. Every week of November, a new item or product is on sale. And this week, what's on sale is my content creator guide, which goes along great with this video because I'm talking about making that jump into becoming a full-time content creator. I have an instant downloadable guide on this type of topic of becoming a content creator, and it is on sale this week. So make sure you guys click that link and go and check it out if you're interested. All right, y'all, jumping right into my first tip. My first tip in becoming a full-time content creator for 2024 is to secure multiple streams of income. I think that having multiple streams of income definitely helps you to be able to meet whatever your income goals are per month, instead of depending on maybe 1 or 2 specific ways that you can make money with your content. Also, diversifying your streams of income. So different ways that you can do this that are not similar or the same. So maybe you love affiliate marketing, maybe try to diversify it and add on some different streams of income to help you meet those goals for the amount of money you need to make each month. The next tip is to get or create an emergency fund. So having an emergency fund consists of, in my opinion, having all the money needed to provide for all of your monthly bills and expenses, and having it saved prior to going full-time as a content creator may be very, very helpful, even if it just gives you the peace of mind that you have money set aside just in case you don't reach your income goals for a certain month, or just in general, you have a emergency fund to the side that is separate from whatever you need to earn that month. So in creating an emergency fund, I think that is also really necessary to also create a budget. And a lot of people, they know generally how much they spend, but I think that it's important to know exactly how much all of your monthly bills combined are. And if some of your bills are variable, meaning that they change, the amount changes per month, even just having a general, estimate and budget of how much you need to spend or have for your bills, and then for your expenses like grocery, household, kids if you have them, anything that you have to pay for every single month. Knowing like that ballpark number and creating a budget on how much you want to spend so that you can save and work towards making that amount of money per month, I think is really, really helpful, because it's kind of hard to make goals on how much you want to or need to make with your content if you don't know how much you actually need to spend. So the last tip is to use what you have, and if you can, try to avoid the feeling of needing to buy all new equipment. I know it's so exciting going full-time as a content creator, but that's an area that can definitely get a little bit out of control. Equipment costs, and nowadays there's so many different amazing equipment and tools that content creators can use, especially when they go full-time. But a lot of times you may not need all those things to be successful and make money with your content. So like I said, you guys, my content creator guide is on sale this week until November the 7th. Make sure you guys continue to create, be patient, and grow. And I will leave the link to that guide in the description of this video. It definitely helps understand just the concept of becoming a content creator, different ways that you can maximize your content, and of course, grow and make some income. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great day, great week, and I will talk to you guys in the comments of this video and my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.